Camera 1 to 5?
Wait, there's like a secret Santa website.
Oh.
Pick number 1 through 4.
Oh, fun fact, in Australia, we only have the grades 1 to 5, and in Germany, they have the grades 1 to 6.
Where's the rest of them? Where's 3, 4?
Eh?
1 to 6? 1 to 5?
2,
3? Eh?
Eh?
You didn't say 3, 4! Wait, did I mess up? No, I think I caught.
Is that we have in Australia, we have the grades 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1 to 5. Gura, how would you even get such a stupid idea? That's so ridiculous.
I don't know.
Oh my god! And then in Germany, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's that.
I'll pick number 1 to 4.
But where's the rest of them?
Shut up!
It took Gura a moment to reply to that.
I still watch that clip sometimes.
See, you're fond of it. It's fond memories.
It's funny.
Yeah.